Welcome back, friends. If you have been searching for a working Hostinger promo code or Hostinger coupon code, then trust me, you have landed on exactly the right channel. Today, I am going to walk you through everything you need to know to grab the biggest possible discount on Hostinger hosting plans in 2024. So, stay with me till the end because this is going to save you a lot of money. Now, let me tell you something really important before we dive in. If you use a regular Hostinger promo code, you will get around 10% off on your purchase. But here is the exciting part. If you use my special Hostinger partnership link, which is available in the description box and the comment section, you will automatically get an extra 20% discount on any Hostinger plan you choose. That is double the savings compared to just using a promo code, and who does not love saving more money, right? Let me give you a real example so you can understand exactly how powerful this is. I recently purchased Hostinger Business Web Hosting and the price came out to just $41 for 1 year. Now when my renewal came around, the cost jumped to around $95 for a single year. But here is the smartest move I made. If I had originally purchased the plan for 4 years upfront, the total cost would have been only $108 for the entire 4 years. That is an absolutely massive saving, and this is why I always recommend going with the maximum duration whenever you are buying any Hostinger plan. So here is exactly what you need to do right now. Head over to the link in the description or the comment section where I have shared country specific Hostinger coupon code links for all available countries in their local language and local currency. Once you click on your country link, you will be redirected directly to the Hostinger website. From there, scroll down or use the navigation bar to select the hosting service that fits your needs, whether it is Hostinger VPS hosting, Hostinger cloud hosting, Hostinger website builder, Hostinger Horizon business web hosting, or business web email. The 20% discount applies to all of them. One golden tip before you check out: always try to sign up using a brand new email address that has never been registered with Hostinger before, because this helps you get the best deal without any conflicts. And do not worry if the pricing on screen appears in US dollars, because once you visit your country specific link, everything will automatically switch to your local currency and language. Go ahead, click the link, pick your plan, and enjoy the best hosting or discount available right now. Happy hosting, friends.